Alright guys, I'm back again. We are at our second destination. I want to give you guys a quick tour of our room where we're staying. We're in paradise right now. So we are currently in Seychelles, and yeah, we finally just got checked into our room. This is an upgraded villa. So we are currently staying at room 405. And let me give you a quick tour of how the room looks. Here we go. First of all, this here is your privacy notice. If you want to be left alone and not be bothered, you just move this like so, and it won't bother you. But if you want them to clean your room, you just move this like so, and they can come in and clean your room. I like this little touch with nature and culture blended with technology. I like that. All right, so, and then you do have two umbrellas here. Let's walk in. All right, once you walk into the room, you're greeted with your mini bar here, but these are not free. Everything else here is free. And then you walk into the bedroom. Maybe, yeah, I can start off with the bedroom. And here we are. Here's the bedroom. Of course, we're celebrating my wife's birthday, so we are welcome with this. The bed looks like a nice queen size bed. Doesn't look that huge, but you have this sitting area here. It looks clean. And then once you walk away from the bedroom, you have this sitting area or this living room area, which is pretty spacious. You have your TV and a welcome champagne and coconut cookies or whatever it is that's in there. But then on your right hand side here, you have your outlets, mirrors, another like a work area, working desk. And then on here, back of the entrance from the door, you have your closet and the lights here. This is all luggages. So one thing I love about this, they give you some nice little gym equipment for stretching and ab workout. You have your yoga mat over there. And a nice little touch, they give you some golf clubs with some golf balls that are actually food once you hit it into the sea. You do have a nice safe here, which we typically don't use because I have trust issues, you know, so we typically leave our stuff in our luggage. Our luggage has a combination lock and we can lock it. You have this nice mirror here after you dress up for dinner or lunch or whatever it is. You can look at yourself, make sure you look good before you step out. Tons of storage spaces here and a window here. Once you leave out this closet, you're gonna walk straight into this beautiful bathroom with a bathtub. But first, let's take a look at this. What is in here? Oh, water closet. So in here is your toilet and your bidet. Not much in there. But here, you walk into this beautiful bathroom, shower with this jetted tub. Looks clean. And you have double sinks on your right, which is always appreciated, and some lotion. And you have this stand-up shower integrated with the bathroom. So yeah, this is actually pretty nice. And on your left-hand side, you have your towel station and your little amenity kit, some decor, pretty nice. And then you walk out to this beautiful deck. Look how beautiful this is. So you walk out of here, you have this massive deck area, this massive pool with great privacy. Your neighbors are not very close. Look at this sitting area. I mean, you could relax here and not even want to move. This is paradise. And you have your own personal floating bed, and unobstructed view of Silhouette Island right over there. Now, I was told there's a great sunset view here, so I guess we'll check that out tonight. But right over there is Silhouette Island, the famous Silhouette Island, and we have an unobstructed view of that. So this is just amazing. Our neighbors are far enough, but not too close, not too far either. On both sides, great privacy. This is amazing. This is just paradise, man. Seychelles. This is Seychelles, guys. Now, guys, if you haven't watched our videos yet, make sure you check them out. And if you want to see our rooms and stay of Qatar, check out the card right up top. Yeah, and if you want to book this hotel and you want to book some activities, just send us a message, or we'll guide you through some of the things we did. So we're going to enjoy this beautiful island, this beautiful paradise for the next few days. And we'll see you on the next one. Thank you all for watching. See you on the next one.